Hello creators, welcome back to my channel Musafirul Shadab. If you are tired of suggesting and if you are tired of guessing what works on YouTube and want real tools that actually help you grow, you are in the right place. TubeBuddy is having a personal assistant for you to grow your audience and increase your views and help you find the best keywords, optimize your videos. Let's dive in. You can search here TubeBuddy. Oops. And this is the TubeBuddy, guys. This is the ultimate YouTube growth tool. Whether you are starting out or scaling up, TubeBuddy gives you the insights and automation to grow faster and create contents your audience truly loves you. TubeBuddy has a real users where has a real results. Let's see the pricing, guys. TubeBuddy. The pricing here starts with Pro of plan 3.99 per month and Legend $25.20 per month. Here you have in the Pro plan basic video and thumbnail tools, basic title and tag optimization, basic title and tag optimization. And in the Legend plan you have content strategy, advanced reporting and analytics, full search and SEO access. So now how to use this TubeBuddy? Let's get into here. You can type here TubeBuddy extension, which is Chrome extension. Click here on the since I have installed it, I'm going to remove it and I'm going to show how to install it. Let me add you the extension. So it install. After it is installed, you are going to get here. So anyway, I'm not going to open it here. Yeah, you can see it here. This is the account. Go to your YouTube channel and open it in the studio. Click here in the YouTube studio and go to analytics. Now you don't have TubeBuddy and you don't know how to improvise your channel, how to increase the audience and how to see the SEO analytics. Here comes the TubeBuddy. Sign in with YouTube. Provide access to your TubeBuddy. And that's it. Here you are. Now you can go to your content, explore keywords. You can type here the keyword. For example, the best viral videos. You can see here the results are such as best viral video editing app, best viral food. You can see here best viral food in London. You can enter any kind of keywords and you can explore the keywords guides. You can see here explore here, but you should to upgrade to Pro where free version has a very limited, and here is about monthly plan and 1 year plan. You can choose accordingly. And let's go back to our channel dashboard. First you must subscribe and like this video, guys. Again you can see the channel analytics and you can see here the insights of TubeBuddy, which you can get full access. Now let's go back to TubeBuddy here. You can see here Keyword Explorer, SEO Studio. Yeah, you can target here the keywords you would like to target for your uh, channel. Let's say example best YouTube channel. Start here. So you will get here that words and a lot, guys. You can change here your title and content. For example, let's go to content and edit it. Let's edit our content here. Most famous noodles. Wow, guys, it's very amazing here. You can see for more views, you can get here title generator, suggested shots, thumbnail analyzer, and a lot of stuff. You can here enter, you can change here the title, you can see here. Let's see how the title is generated from Tubebuddy. You can see here the title generator. Here is the title generator. As you can see, most famous noodles. Let's type here top noodles. You can see world's most incredible noodle dishes you ever try. And apply, guys. See, title is applied here. And just press save. That's it, guys. Very easy. And you can also analyze your thumb and create your thumbnail. You can choose the thumbnail here you like to create. Split from the video. Dua tiga. And continue. If you want here shapes, template, anything you can choose here and click continue and save publish. Okay. Wow, it's so easy. And that's it, guys. You can see, you can go to content and you can see here. Wow, immediately you can see here, guys. So let's go back here now. And TubeBuddy also gives you a lot of suggested shorts and website tools, and also has a community, and also you have a support, and you can contact here. Account management, TubeBuddy tools, billing, how to cancel, how do I create download, what's included in my license. Wow, guys. So you can also contact here with your name and description. So what are you waiting, guys? Come on, have this TubeBuddy and grow your audience and increase your channel. Thank you, and subscribe my channel and like and follow.